guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Vlogify with Suti. And as you all have read the caption that says my acne story. So I have seen this thing going on Instagram as well as in YouTube that be natural and at least share your story to the people so that there are people who are suffering from these things. They don't think that you are only alone, or if you have survived something, or maybe if you are you have come out of something, so it would be good for people who are dealing with the situation. So I'm going to share mine because earlier I used to never talk about it because it was pretty clear on my face. So it's the thing that after completing my 12th, when I came to college, so I was staying in a hostel. So I was from Kanpur, and then I went to Lucknow for my higher studies. So staying in a hostel really affected me in the sense that my face, which was pretty clear, like I did not have anything much on my face, so I started getting pimples, so one or two here and there. So it was my first year in the college, so I thought, okay, fine, just go with the flow. And when I used to tell my mother, she used to say, beta theek ho jayega, abhi tum wahan gayi ho, and just adjust with the things. And so I also thought maybe it will go. Then that pimple turned to acne, and I started getting a lot of acne on my face. And as soon as the acne goes away, they leave a very dark scar or mark on my face. So if the acne is gone, still the mark remained on my face. But still 2 years of my college, I did not give much importance to that. I was always into my work or my college, my classes, everything. It just does not hamper my confidence. But when I came to third year, so in third year I got the love of my life, my husband. So I got engaged when I was in third year of my college. Even during my engagement, because I was putting a lot of makeup, so there were marks on my face because I used to get acne, but it got all hidden up with the makeup. So I thought, fine, it is like the ceremony is over now. Who is gonna know that I had marks here and there on my face? But once my engagement got over, then we decided that okay, I'll be getting married after completing my graduation, that next year, 2020. So okay, so the third year was a very painful year of my life. I started getting acne, which was a process that was going on since 2 years before. But in my third year, it just got worse. And these are the pictures. You can see that my acne had become the worst it could have been. I started ignoring people whom I have never met. Maybe in college there are like there are people who you want to meet and new friends, friends from different departments. I only used to meet people who I know and who I have been meeting since 2 years, because I didn't wanted people to judge me, my personality, on the basis of the face I have. So that feeling, I used to feel so obnoxious because I was not even myself when I used to go in front of people. I became so much camera conscious. I didn't wanted to take any picture of mine because you all have seen like what I was having on my face. And people say things, my mother, my family, people say ki nobody looks at your face, you have such a good personality, you are very fun loving, you talk a lot, you are a very chirpy girl. But at times no, but whenever a person meets you, they only see your face, like how pretty you are, what is your color complexion, how what makeup you have put on, only this thing, only. And this is the fact, this is the true world we are in living, And so I started thinking, I started avoiding people. When I used to go to my home, I sit at my home. I never used to attend any parties, because even if I go with my mother somewhere, people are like, oh, your face, beta kya ho gaya face mein? Ek kaam karo, ye kar lo. Ek kaam karo, wo kar lo. And I don't know why people were telling me I did everything I could have. I put aloe vera on my face, I put haldi on my face, and everything. जितने भी घरेलू नुस्खे होते, I tried everything. But my face was still the same, even it was getting worse. So at one point, I used to sleep at night with this much big acne. It used to hurt so much. I was not able to laugh at that particular period of time, because when I used to laugh, my pimples, my acne started to hurt. And one day when I was telling this to my mother, then she thought कि this is not normal, because my mother always used to say सब हो जाएगा टाइम के साथ, तुम आराम से रहो, सब सही हो जाएगा, सब सही हो जाएगा. But it just never. I was so tempted to get rid of my acne, but I couldn't find anything that just changed my face. So then somebody suggested me that why don't you visit Dr. Mamta Bhura. She's a dermatologist and she's in Kanpur. She has a clinic in I think in Swaroop Nagar or somewhere like, yeah. So I searched about Mamta Bhura, and her, the Google said that she's one of the very great, she's one of, the most reputed dermatologist in Kanpur. So I thought I should, get a visit there. So I booked my appointment there, and when I went there for the first time, her clinic was very, very luxurious. When I went there, and I could not express my, I was just so stunned. When I went there, I saw her inside her clinic. She was sitting there, and I said that I am here, like, see, this is my face and it is getting all. Only one thing she asked, have you had any facials in the past or something like that? I said no. Then she said, beta, ye to bahut zyada ho gaya hai. And at that moment of time, I felt that I was such a stupid person who did not visited the doctor since 3 years, and I am, growing all these things on my face. So the first day she gave me the medicines for 20 days. So my father was the person who was like, कुछ नहीं होगा, एज निकलेगी, अपने आप एक्ने चला जाएगा, you are wasting my money in this thing. But my mother somehow convinced him कि please, it's high time, she needs to get a good face, because after all she's getting married, so just don't stop her. He was also like, okay, चलो कर लो, तुम्हें तो अपनी करनी होती है. After 20 days of medicines, basically she gave a lot of, eating supplements like medicines, because I had sort of a cystic acne. So it was, from the stomach and everything that was not well inside. So I used to have so many medicines, like so many medicines. And then she also gave 2 tubes. Okay, 1 tube was for, the scars, to remove the scars from my face, because the more pimples or the more acne I used to get on my face, the more scars were on my face. As you can see on this picture, like only this portion, like my nose was fine, rest everywhere on my face I used to have either the scar or the pimple. So, and one tube she gave me for active acne. Like if you have a pimple, you just put that thing on your pimple and then you sleep, and it has the process of healing overnight, and then the pimple goes. These two creams I am still using because one is a gel and one is a cream. I am still using because I think that it is very important, because now and then you get acne or pimple because of tired routine, because of day-to-day work, or if you're traveling or something like that. So I have those two things, and she gave me a face wash, a foaming face wash, which contained a lot of mild acids, which were very great for clearing up your skin. So I used it for 20 days. After 20 days, I noticed that my acne had started to reduce, and there were no more acne coming on my face. Like, because earlier the situation was, when I used to get up, like today I am sleeping, tomorrow when I am getting up, I am having 3 acne. I don't know suddenly from where overnight this process happens, and so I started to feel that the acne growing process has stopped. Like, not stopped, but yes, came to a very minimalistic sort of a thing. Then again we went to her clinic, and then she gave medicines for 15 days, and then the process was going on. But yes, I ate a hell lot of medicines, and it just made my the taste of my mouth so bitter. But I was happy that I was doing something for my acne, for my face. So I started a treatment in December, and we had planned my wedding on June 2020. So we thought that this acne and everything will go away by June, or not go away, but at least lighten up. Okay, so then we in Feb we just visited her for one more time. So my mother said ki she's getting married in June, and could you please tell me that this all medication and all these gel and face wash and everything is going to help her lighten up all these scars, because after all she's getting married. So one thing that Mamta Bhura said कि ये नहीं जाएगा इतनी जल्दी, इसकी शादी है, so we have to go for laser sessions. So and not 1 or 2 sessions are required, it would be around 6 to 8 sessions, because her skin is so deteriorated, and that is why 6 to 8 sessions were required, and every session would require a 15 days of gap. So we were like, fine, let's take the medicines for the for the March, and then we'll come back in April, and April, May, we would go for the laser treatments. We did not knew that this pandemic is going to hit us so hard. So when it was the time for me to go to the clinic for my follow-up session in March, the pandemic had already begun, and all the medical things and all the hospitals and all the doctors, they just shut down their clinics. I couldn't go there. So whatever medicines I had left, and whatever the face wash and creams were left with me, I thought that I would still apply those. Even if I am not visiting her, I know how to apply it, when to apply it, what was the routine. I kept on applying. And in June, when I was getting married, this is my picture. I did not have a single scar, single mark on my face. Like, I was so happy, because day by day I was, I used to click pictures, because I think picture is one thing, or seeing yourself in the mirror is one thing that really helps you build your confidence. And moreover, it really helped me in thinking that yes, 20 days back my face was like this, 20 days now it is like this, and after 1 month it would be like this. So I used to click pictures, as you all can see here. And on 7th June my wedding was planned, but we had to postpone it because of some reasons. And then it was on 14th of June. So on 14th June, when I went to the salon for my makeup, I really felt so good when I, saw myself in that big, huge, humongous mirror. I was like, okay, I'm the bride. I should get ready and with, a lot of makeup, good jewelry, good clothes. And I thought that now I don't really need a makeup, because my face, my skin, which was so bad earlier, that I was, I started to avoid people. I did not like social gathering. Now my skin is so good. Like, I did not want to have any makeup on my skin. But, being the bride, I wanted to have a hell lot of makeup on my face with, to be the one there in that particular night. So I did my makeup and, everything got well. And even after my marriage, because my medicines were, over, and the gel and the cream, everything got over, because I couldn't go to visit her clinic in March. Then in June I got married. After June, I had to shift to my husband's place in Vizag. So I went to Vizag, and again it was a new place. So I was very, very terrified that my acne is going to come back, because the treatment was left untreated. And then I have came here again, a new atmosphere, new culture, everything. And so my acne is going to come back again for sure. But my acne never come back. I have been married for 1 year now, and I have changed 2 places. First I was in Vizag, now I'm in Kochi, and both the places are very different at least from Kanpur. So now I think those medicines that I had just made all the things that were wrong inside my stomach or whatsoever it had just cleared them from the root itself. So I would really like to tell people who are dealing with this kind of acne, like this, bad kind of acne, please just don't go with aloe veras and turmerics and, coconut water and I don't know what. Because trust me, some acne are meant to be taken care of with the help of a dermat. Because no matter what you do, no matter you just, go for anything, any home remedy, your acne is going to come back. Because I have tried everything in 4 years, and trust me, I didn't get a single solution. Not even a single day passed when I thought कि मेरा फेस कितना खराब हो गया है. My mother used to say कि तुम्हारा तो पूरा फेस इतना खराब. Even my mother, every mother, has something good to say about their children, but she was so honest and she said, Chinu, सच में, your face is so bad. How will you be, gonna married? So she said, my mother said that, how are you going to get married in this phase? And then of course you need to have some a treatment, a plan or something. So there are many kinds of acne, pimples, etc., that we do not know. Because as a teenager, when we are in 9th or 10th, there are some pimples here and there which people tend to ignore, like me, and then they get a worse effect in their later years. And trust me, if I would have never visited Mamta Bhura, I would have never get rid of that face, like the face you have seen here. I might not be even recording this video because I was so camera conscious that time. I could not even have, the courage to even make a YouTube channel for even a very little people to watch, because my face was not good. And now I don't put any makeup generally, okay, leaving the occasions and everything, and I just put lipstick because I think it just build up my confidence to the next level. So whenever I want to go out, I'll just put a lipstick. Even if I'm at home, I just put a lipstick because I really like it. So whenever I have to go out, I'll make my hair, I'll dress up, and I'll put a lipstick, and I'm done. And I am very happy because there was a time when I was, suffering with this kind of acne, and I used to put a lot of makeup to hide my, scars and all this thing. But now, nothing. Right now also this video is filter free. I haven't put a single filter on this video, and this is what I am. And now people don't comment on my face. They never say, oh my god, तुम्हारा face तो कितना खराब हो गया है. See, the color is something that we all cannot do. There are people who are, utterly fair. There are people who have wheatish complexion like me. And the complexion was never a problem. The thing that was growing on my face was a problem. So I would recommend to people, do not assume what kind of acne you had, because I also think, my mother also used to think that ये normal acne है, चला जाएगा, age बढ़ेगी, 21, 22 की होगी, सब खत्म हो जाएगा. But it didn't. So, and I found out that my acne was cystic acne. There are people who have PCOD, PCOS, and hormonal acne, many kind of acne, and every acne needs to be treated under a dermat. And people who are in Kanpur, who are dealing with any kind of skin issues, and if you want to go to a dermat and you don't know who it will be, trust me, please go to Dr. Mamta Bhura's clinic. She's one of the finest dermats in Kanpur. And there are my cousins and people, my friends who have visited many dermats in Kanpur, turned out to be good at certain point of time for certain people, but Mamta Bhura has genuinely changed my face. Not change actually, but yes, because she was able to get rid of everything. So now I had built a different level of confidence, which earlier I had lost. So this was my acne story, and some things are there that you just cannot describe in words, because that time, that thing that I used to face when I was suffering from acne for like 4 years, that was very very difficult situation. And I know there are girls who are going through this phase. I know how it feels. I know nothing is going to cheer you up, even if you wear a Chanel, or even if you wear a normal dress or whatever. It just don't make any difference, because somewhere or the other you have to be very confident in your own skin and in your own complexion also. But you cannot have, you do not have any thing to do with your complexion, which I agree that you should always be good with your you should always be good for what you have. But yes, definitely if you are facing any kind of problem, any kind of skin issues, then you should definitely go and get treated. And I think I have pretty much covered everything what I wanted to say. But yes, there are some emotions which are here and there in my heart somewhere, because after all, I have dealt with that situation for 4 years. So summarizing it wouldn't be possible. But yes, I have taken up all the points, important points that I wanted to share with you all. And I hope that this video will change some people's perspective of taking others, some people's perspective for seeing people who are dealing with acne. Please do not make fun of their faces, because you don't know what they are going in their day-to-day life. Not even a single day was there when I used to sleep without thinking कि मेरा face कब सही होएगा. Not even a single day. So please don't make fun of them. And second, please do not advise them home remedies, because you could advise them home remedies, because some skin issues are not meant to be dealt with home remedies. It will just get them worse. So I want people, if you have any kind of issues, go and get some help from the doctor, and there is no shame in that. I was also thinking that, oh my god, the doctor will say, what have you done to your face? But no, she was a professional. She just treated me like a patient, and you can see the result. So I think yes, this was my acne story which I wanted to share with you all, and I hope that if someone is facing this kind of problem, go get some help. It would really help you. And till the time I make another video for something new, I really want you all to please subscribe to my channel, those who haven't, and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. Bye bye, take care. Mwah.